Good morning to all. Today we are going to start the chapter 20, the Parliament of India. We have already studied about the Parliament. That Parliament is the lawmaking body. It is also known as legislature or Sansad. What are the two houses of Parliament? Yes, the two houses of parliament are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Today we are going to study about the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is a lower house of parliament. It is also known as the House of the People. Why the Lok Sabha known as the House of the People? Because its members are directly elected by the people who are eligible to vote. Can you tell me what is the minimum age of voting in our country? In our country, the minimum age required to cast the vote in the election is 18 years old. Besides, the maximum strength of Lok Sabha can be 552 and the two seats are reserved for the Anglo-Indian. The President nominates these two seats. Lok Sabha elects one of its members as the presiding officer. He or she is called the Speaker. Who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha at present? Mr. Om Birla is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is not a permanent body. Therefore, the members of the Lok Sabha are elected for 5 years. After the end of 5-year terms, the re-election again takes place. The political party who secures majority seats, that is 272 plus in Lok Sabha, gives the name of its leader to the President to appoint Prime Minister. What is the qualification to become the member of Lok Sabha? The minimum qualifying age for becoming the member of Lok Sabha is 25 years. He/she must be a citizen of India. He/she must be a voter for any parliamentary constituency in India. He/she should not hold any office of profit. He/she should not be violent or bankrupt. He/she should possess all those qualifications prescribed by the parliament from time to time. The other house is known as Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is also known as the Council of State or Upper House. Rajya Sabha is the upper house and the Council of State. The members of Rajya Sabha are not elected directly by the people. They are elected indirectly by the legislative assemblies of the various states. The total strength of Rajya Sabha is 250, out of which 238 members represent the state and union territories and 12 members nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is elected for a term of 6 years. It is a permanent body. Why Rajya Sabha is a permanent body? Because this never dissolves. Its 1/3 members retire after every 2 years. Besides, every state is allotted a certain number for electing Rajya Sabha members. A state with a high population and a large area like UP have more representations than small states like Goa. What is the qualification to become the member of Rajya Sabha? He/she must be a citizen of India. He/she must be at least 30 years old. He/she must have their name present on the voters list. He/she cannot be a proclaimed criminal. He/she should not hold any other office of profit under the Government of India. He/she should not be bankrupt. He/she must possess such other qualification as prescribed in that behalf by or under any law made by Parliament. Who is the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha? The Vice President of India is the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha. Now, who is the Vice President of India at present? Mr. Venkaiah Naidu is the Vice President of India. Thank you.